শুরু করতেছি আমরা Skagen review. It's a brand from Denmark. So আমরা ওয়াচটা এখন বের করবো. Let's see how it looks. Alrighty. Pretty standard stuff. Classic. Okay, and একটা উপরে পেপার আছে, so এটা উঠাইতে হবে. Let's get rid of this. So the time চলতেছে এখন. পেপারটা উঠাই ফেলি. Let's say how do I get rid of the paper? Right. Alright, now it's much clearer, much more clear, right? Standard, not bad, right? Let's say open Kurita. There's a tape. Put it. I don't have a lump. I need to cut this. So scissors, they're here. Let me see where my scissors are. Alright, so okay, we'll just ওখানে টেনে ইয়ে করা যায় তো, এটা আমার এত সময় নেই. Let's just cut this from the exact point. Alright, it's clear now. পিছনেও একটা মনে হয় স্টিকার আছে, I guess, because একটা red দাগ আছে. Yeah. Okay, so এটা উঠে ফেললাম. So this is the back side. Okay, pretty slim overall, and this is the front face. I'll just go ahead and wear it. Comfortable belt and leather apparently. I mean, initially মনে করছি leather না, but it says it's leather officially, কারণ Skagen branded যেহেতু, ওরা মনে হয় ইউরোপিয়ান কোনো leather আর কি. In this hole. Alright, looks good. I'm trying to show it এখানে. Okay, maybe I will just hold the camera directly to this. তাহলে বুঝা যাবে. Looks pretty nice. Pretty happy. Bye bye.